just like me. Yeah, lately it's been hard. They're selling me for parts, and I don't wanna be modern art, but I only got half a heart to give to you, and I hope it's enough. How can you miss someone you've never met?